Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be about cleaning the car tires, rims, alloy wheels and just make them look like brand new. Usually when we wash our car, the rims and alloy wheels only get washed from outside and still a lot of road rash stays on the inside parts like this because we can't put our hands inside and the spokes from inside remains dirty. That makes the impression of the car looks a bit dull even if it's washed very nicely. So I will tell you a quick trick to make your car wheels look like brand new, just like these ones. I'm just using this hydraulic jack and the jack stands because I need to lift up the car and remove the tires from the car because I'm changing the tires, just moving them from back to front and front to back. Before lifting the car on jack, I'm just loosening these screws of the wheel because if I'm lifting the car on jack and then choose to loose these screws, sometimes the wheel starts rotating with the spanner. So better idea to loose them a little beforehand and then put a jack under and lift the car, then remove the wheel completely from the car. So once the car got lifted up on jack, I'm using this jack stand because it's a good idea to use jack stand to hold the car. It's an extra layer of safety and you can take the jack back and remove the other tire at the same time. Look at the condition of alloy wheel from inside. It's too dirty, hard to recognize the real color of alloy wheel. So let's take the wheel out near to the water hose and just make them little wet. So this is the product I'm gonna use today. It's 3-in-1 degreaser. Only costs $3 from a local cheap as chips store here in Australia. It's actually a very great product if you want to remove dirt from tires, wheels, rims, alloy wheels, and even want to do the engine clean of your car. So I'm just spraying it on. There are many other acids and other products available in market for wheel cleaning, but some of them are not good for the wheels. They just make the color of the wheels a bit dull or leave some marks on. So once you're done with the spray, just leave it on for like 1 or 2 minutes, not a long time. Now it's time to wash the wheel. You can see how easily the dirt is coming out by itself. I don't even rub the wheel with any scrubber or anything. It's just cleaning out nicely with normal water wash. For the spokes inside, you can scrub them little bit when the spray is on before putting water. So now I'm just cleaning the other side of the alloy wheel, especially the screw holes. I'm just using a scrubber to wipe them up. So once the wheel is all washed and cleaned nicely, I'm just wiping it off with a nice soft piece of cloth. Look how nice it comes out. So beautiful. So let's put the tire back on the car and just tighten the screws. Once the screws are back on the tire, remove the stand and the jack. So the tire is back on the car, jack is being removed, and I am retightening the screws again just to make sure they are all tightened up. And always wear the safety shoes on when you are doing these kind of things, because to tighten the screws we need to put some power on with our foot. So if we have thongs on, or we are barefoot, our foot can slip from the spanner and you can hurt yourself. So safety shoes is must all the time. And if you don't want to make your hands dirty, you can wear the gloves. So this is the final result. Look how clean the rims are looking from inside as well. You might clean the alloy wheels by having them on your car without removing them from the car. That way they might not clean this good, but still it will be alright. I only remove the tires because I need to shuffle the tires. So that was all for today. Hope you find something useful from this video. Don't forget to press like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.